How to fix TikTok shop verification field. To fix a field TikTok shop verification, you must first identify the specific reason for rejections in the TikTok shop seller center notifications. Now, most failures are due to document clarity or information mismatch. So first of all, ensure full visibility. Uploaded photos must show all four corners of the document, ID, business license, or bank statement. You have to use a high resolution scans or a well-lit photo on a dark and a flat background to avoid a glare. Ensure your government issued ID such as passport or driver license is valid and not expired within a 30 days. And make sure to avoid digital edit. That means do not upload screenshot, cropped image, or documents with watermarks. Use only original colored digital copies. Then you want to match the information exactly, legal name. The name entered on the application must exactly match the name on your official document. This includes middle name, initials, and suffix as well. And ensure your employer identification number and a business are identical to those on your registered document as well. And the name on your linked bank account must match the legal business name for corporate account or your legal name for individual account as well. And this way you could go ahead and resubmissions and appeal for it. If nothing works out, you just want to make sure to contact support team. They will be able to help you out. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.